Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you have enjoyed your holidays. Now, let's begin with our chapter, that is whole numbers. Before Eid, I have explained you properties, but today let's recall it. So we have seen commutative property for addition. Here in this chapter, you are going to study three properties. The first is commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. And all the properties are important. Here you are going to study them for addition and multiplication. So let's see first for addition. So here commutative property for addition. So what is commutative property? It's A plus B is equal to B plus A. Suppose you are adding 9 and 3. So 9 plus 3, 12. Or 3 plus 9, 12. In both the ways, what have we done? We have simply altered their places. Yani 9 की place पर 3 और 3 की place पर 9. So in both the ways you are getting same answer. Hence, what can we conclude from this? We can conclude that addition is commutative and you can add the numbers in any order. 9 plus 3, 3 plus 9. But the numbers should be same. You can add them in any order. Then you will get the same answer. Similar way, next is associative property for addition. For three numbers, 4, 6 and 3. So either you will add first 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6, 10 and 3. So 10 plus 3, 13. Or else 6 plus 3, 9 and 4 plus 9, 13. So in both the ways, you will get the same answer. So all in all, we can conclude that addition is commutative also and associative also. Means you can add the numbers in any order. Numbers को आप कोई भी order में add करोगे, answers will remain same. Understood? So now let's begin with the sum based on this property. Now let's begin with exercise 2.2, question 1. What's that? First we need to read the question. What is the question? Find the sum. Sum means what? Find the sum. Sum is the answer of addition. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Rearrangement means you have to rearrange this given numbers. So here you can see we are having three numbers, 837, 208 and 363. And among them there is plus sign, right? So let's begin that how to solve this sum. So here we know that we can add them in any order. If we will add them in any order, then also the answer will remain same. So let's check this 2 first. Either you can add this 2 or you can add this 2. तो पहले हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर लेते हैं. So 837 plus 208. We will write it in this way. This step is compulsory. Plus this 363 will be as it is. Okay? Now let's add this 2. 837 and 208. 837 and 208. So 8 plus 7, 15 or 7 plus 8, 15. 1 will be carry over to next. 3 plus 1, 4 and 8 plus 2, 10. So this is our answer of these two numbers. So here we are going to replace these numbers by its answer, that is 1045. यानी ये दोनों का जो सम है वो क्या है 1045, and we have put it here. And this 363 is still left, so we are going to add this 363. Now to get final answer, we are going to add these two numbers. So 1045 plus 363. Digits must be below each other. So 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4, 10, 1 up, 3 plus 1, 4 and 1. So what is our answer? 1408. So here we are going to replace these two by its sum, that is 1408. So this is how we are going to solve this sum. We can add them in any order. मैंने यहाँ पहले दो नंबर्स को ऐड किया है, आप लास्ट दो नंबर्स को भी पहले ऐड कर सकते हो. You will get the same answer. If you want to try, you can do it at home. Now let's begin with B. Second question of question 1. Here you are having four numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and among them there is plus sign. So now again we have to rearrange them. You can change their order and you can add them. So how we are going to do that? Here you can see this is our 4-digit number. 4 digit means 1, 9, 6 and 2. 4 digits. This is 3 digit, 4 digit and 3 digit. So how we are going to regroup them? We are going to take 4 digit with 4 digit and 3 digit with 3 digit. Let's do that and write the step. This step is necessary. So 1962, this is our first 4 digit, and then second 4 digit number, that is 1538. So this is our first group. Then we will go with this 3 digit and 3 digit. Plus, we are going to put plus sign in all. So 453 plus 647. This is our second group, right? This is our first step. Now what will we do? We will add these two and these two first. So let's go with this one. 1962 plus 1538. 1962 plus 1538, right? We know that addition we are going to start with this one. So 2 plus 8, 10. 1 carry over 2. Next 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry over. 10 plus 5, 15. Carry over and 3. So what's the answer of this 2? That is 3500. So now this 2 will be replaced by its sum, that is 3500. So this is the answer of first group. This plus sign will remain as it is. And now the turn of the next group. Let's add them. 453 plus 647. So 10, 1 carry over to next, 10, 1 carry over to next, and 11. So what is the answer of this 2? That is 1100. So this 2 will be replaced by 1100, right? So we have added both the groups. Now still one step is left. We are going to add this 2 to get the final answer. So 3500 plus 1100. Shall we do it directly? Let's do that. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 1, 6 and 3 plus 1, 4. So what's our answer? 4600. So this is how we can solve this sum. I hope you understood properties for addition as well as sums. So now you can note it down easily.